exit dive.
The real issue is that they never want to run any kind of policy that can be sustainable for their party. What they want to do is they just want to grift as much as they can, as quick as they can, fall
big line of people waiting to exit,
and then blame everybody for all the bad shit that they did too.
Yeah. You'll die of way after the Florida people when there's that global tidal tsunami. Yeah. So once you buy in at this place, you can decorate your fucking cave.
And she says yes.
Yeah, she says yes. You are already in trouble, not just for tonight, but for every bad thing you've ever done. Hey kid,
really? What the fuck are you doing?
And this is an adult comforting him.
Comforting him while the
I've spent all my money on this. Things financially are a total absolute nightmare. It's like, wow.
Nice cut off.
Man, you know, people talk.
If you gave a network or any, nowadays saying network's almost old-fashioned,
exit dive.
Broadcast entity, anybody who produces television property.
Any details on the location or source, so we're all just playing a game of muffin roulette every time we eat at this point, which is a lot of fun. But even that's
nice
just
a
drop in the bucket of the true scope of this thing. Nationwide.
Take the space between us. Cut off! Oh yeah!
BetterHelp Online Therapy.
With over 30,000 therapists, BetterHelp is the world's largest online therapy platform, having served over 6 million people globally. BetterHelp does the initial matching work for you, so you can focus on your...
Because usually the outsiders, the heretics and so on, the would-be Galileos, they're not would-be Galileos. They're not going to host it.
Nice cut off.
We look up all the different components of that truth.
From my read of
no, they're fine with pharmaceutical companies making money.
Yeah.
Nope.
But some liberals are like, I don't comfortable with big pharma making money on vaccines, so maybe the vaccine.
The best thing ever is when Joseph sees this, grabs a sword from the fucking holster or whatever of a nearby Roman soldier, and then runs and stabs Satan in the fuck.
I fucking hate people.
Are not helping at all and are completely unaware of the magic that's allegedly happening. They're just yelling stuff.
You can't merge in this lane, dude. Really? Nice cut off as well.
Joseph's household. That would have been when it would have been consummated. And in the text of the New Testament, they're already betrothed, and it says she was discovered to be with child.
Nice cut off.
Wanting to make a public example of her.
Did it, and you would have been mad.
I was very clear. This was newborn.
Can you put the mask down one more time? Mask down.
So yeah, so then as
Really,
all this
Ron.
he is like he's rolling around on the floor and
I'm blessed. This is me, and I'm blessed. Anybody fighting through the stress?
No stop over there. Just went right through the stop. Nice cut off. Nice cut off.
Pounds. That's a lot. 38 pounds. They're being extradited to the UK to stand trial. Possibly. I think that
Hello?
there's back and forth that they're trying to, and so like, who knows what happens behind the scenes? And we know with Palantir and Cecil, boy, were they fucking flippant about it.
Nice cut off.
Well, who's gonna punish them?
I know,
Like
I know.
that's my age. Yourself 7 days a week, 365. Chomping on your cigar. Half your head is turned white.
Extra regret up there. You gotta read the signs.
Chill, man. Take
It's
some
not that
pictures.
complicated here.
Chicks dig a photographer. In a sense, it was an affirmation of saying yes, like throw your ideas on the table and let's go do them. Like nothing should be too small here. In retrospect, that feels a little odd, right?
I think that is an important potential function for any federal program to play. I think that is still a lot of the justification and the benefit that we do see from our trans.
Really? Okay.
Over the line!
Whoa, what the? Really? Over the line! Red light runner. Red light runner. You guy turned in front of that school bus there, too. So, bad. Stop it. Everyone stop it.
Off their first month at betterhelp.com/awful. That's betterhelp.com/awful.
Oh, right turn, regret.
I'll see you in the studio.
Screwbaroo.
Oh, we didn't even get close to Bing Bong.
Wow, they did lie, but because there's a scene that was so funny. We didn't have time to talk about this brilliant comedy where the story that was different than the girl was telling about where they're from. And he said Canada, and she said Alaska or some bullshit.
Yeah, so they must be Elvis. It's the only other possibility.
Yeah.
So we watch Elwood and Nora do
Nice cutoff and nice exit dive.
In the paddle boat, that it must have been the dad and him in fishing him, and I wish I could have seen that.
What the, really? Yeah. Extra regret. Didn't you just merge here? I don't know. You know, you can go up the on-ramp here, go straight through, and then get back on the highway again. I'm just saying. Red light Ron. And another red light Ron. Like sucks. You can't turn left here, dude.
You done messed up, AA Ron!
That's just fucking crazy that you would do that. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real because we are on I-495 in Massachusetts where they don't allow trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. Andrews United, Van Lines. I guess another Masshole's moving here, I guess. So, yep. Sucks for you. You get to be in the video because you suck. Oh, well. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Okay, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.